Today we're making pecan bread. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is a fun one. Today we are making pecan bread and it is so easy and so good. We are going to start off with our ingredients, which are all down listed in the description. But we are going to take sugar, and I'm using raw sugar. You can use white sugar and butter. I'm going to mix those two together. While they are mixing, I'm going to add vanilla, a good pinch of sea salt, and 4 slightly beaten eggs. I'm going to turn that down to low and then slowly add in my flour. And then I'm going to add in my pecans. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We'll lift this out. I'm going to pour this into my greased pan. Then I'm going to bake this for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a cake tester stuck in the center comes out clean. After 30 minutes, I remove the bread from the oven. Now I have to let this cool thoroughly, and it needs to be cooled completely before we cut it. All right, this is cooled. Now I'm going to cut it. It is super crumbly. Let's give this a taste. That is moist and delicious and super sweet. It reminds me of like a pecan praline. It is so good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you do make this, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.